Pragmata, startup crash, black screen, freeze, not loading CTD. Number 1, run game as administrator, quick fix. Right-click Pragmata, click run as administrator, fixes permission-related crashes instantly. Number 2, verify game files. If you're using Steam library, right-click game, properties, installed files, verify integrity. Repairs missing corrupt files, very common issue. Number 3, update GPU drivers. Outdated drivers equals crashes black screen. Update via NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin software. Always install the latest game-ready driver. Number 4, force DirectX-11 fix black screen and CTD. In Steam launch options, you can see the code in our conversation history. Stabilizes many crash issues. Number 5, install required files. Reinstall repair, DirectX, Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, missing runtimes equals instant crash on launch. Number 6, disable full screen optimization. Right-click game, properties, compatibility tab. Tick, disable full screen optimization, fixes black screen plus freezing. Number 7, fix DXGI error device removed. This is GPU related. Do this. Remove GPU overclock, lower graphics settings. Update drivers. Check GPU temperature. This error equals GPU instability. Close background apps. Close. Discord overlay, MSI Afterburner, browser, Chrome Edge. Overlays often cause crashes. Number 9, clean boot, advanced fix, msconfig, disable non-Microsoft services, restart PC, remove software conflicts. Number 10, delete config files, important fix. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete config files, restart game, fixes corrupted settings causing crashes. Number 11, reinstall game, last fix, uninstall, reinstall, fresh fixes, deep file corruption. And an important reality check, Pragmata is not fully released on PC yet, so crashes may also be due to early builds, demo issues, driver incompatibility, missing optimizations. Quick fix order, do this first. 1, verify files. 2, update GPU. 3, use -DX11. 4, delete config. 5, run as admin. If you want, I can